What is going on, guys? It's Levi here with Sioux Automotive, and today I'm going to be performing a brake pad replacement on a 2014 Honda Civic that one of my customers brought into me last night. And I'm going to take you through all the steps that you're going to need, all the tools you're going to need to properly do a brake pad replacement on this vehicle. So let's get down to it. Now, if you're using headphones, you might want to turn it down a little bit because I do have to use a air gun in order to take these tires off. This is a 19mm socket. Take off these lug nuts. See if I can get a better angle for you. Alright, so this guy right here is a 12mm. Take your 12mm wrench. Go ahead and break them loose. On the side, we take the caliper itself, pull it up. Set the caliper aside. Take these springs out, and you want to keep these springs because they will be having to be reused because they don't come in the new brake pad box. You're going to want to take these off right here because you don't want to reuse these. They come with new ones in the package. And what I like to do is I like to take the slide pins out right here. And I like to re-grease them. And you would just re-grease them with just regular brake protection paste. Just slide that one back in. Now with the top one, I left it connected to the caliper just because it makes it a lot easier. It's one less bolt you have to unscrew and all that. That's one less thing that you have to worry about leaving not screwed in. So we get our new clips, and when we have our new clips, I like to go ahead and pre-grease them. That way I don't have to worry about accidentally getting grease on the rotor itself. And then I also like to grease the top of the pad here, just where it slides in that thing, so that way you don't have to worry about it locking up and then causing uneven brake wear. Also, the inside pad is the one that should have the indicator, the brake wear indicator. Some vehicles have a sensor, others have a little noise device, so whenever you get real close and it's time to change your brake pads, it'll start squealing real bad. But this always needs to be on the inside, because you can't always see the inside of the pad, but you can always see the outside of the pad. Another thing that I like to do is I like to take one of the old pads, put them back on the caliper, get a pair of channel locks, and compress that brake caliper back to the regular installation position. And what this does is this allows you to be able to put your new brake pads on with no issues, having to worry about there not being enough room from the caliper to the pad. Now they do have different tools that you can use for this. They do have caliper compression tools. They work very well. They work very great as well. But channel locks also work good. Another thing I like to grease the inside of this caliper right here. I like to grease the inside of this right here. This right here, along this side. Working on Mercedes-Benz for a really, really long time has shown me that if you don't grease it there, eventually the brake pads can and most likely will make noise. It's just another little safety, another little tip that I've learned from my years of working on vehicles. Cuts down the noise because the grease allows the pad to stick, and then you don't have to worry about it vibrating. Already greased the top pin, so you can just stick that back on there. You come up there. Don't forget about these springs, like I almost did. And the way they go in like this, with the bottom of the spring facing down. They slide right into these little holes. Just like that. And just like that. Now with both springs in, there's a chance that the pads will spring out, but it's not that big of a deal. All you gotta do is squeeze them, and they go right in. Now you put your screw back in. Tighten it down. There you go. That is how you properly perform a brake job pretty much on any vehicle. Pretty much all the same. There may be some differences here and there, like I said, with rather than having a noise style indicator, you could have a sensor, as well as the bolts. The bolt size will vary depending on manufacturer and how you take the guide pins, the fly pins out as well. So, hope you got some information from this video, learned how to do it yourself, or something like that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram to follow all the things that I do. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.